I did say we needed a part 2, right? Let's do it. It's gonna be a lot of cleaning, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy Cino. Thanks for checking me out. And in my video, I did a part 1 of all the things I copped for the month of December. But the video was too long. And also the video did okay, so I don't mind coming back and doing a part 2. If y'all ain't like it, then we wouldn't do it, man. I think I ended that video with the Marvel Deadpool Kith situation. But we're gonna start somewhere different. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Being that I got on the Bape Laker joints from a couple of years ago, I still love this hoodie, man. Shout out to the Lakers. Luka's my guy right now, man. Shout out to the Lakers, man. Bape, Mitchell and Ness did a collab. Top of December, maybe Thanksgiving. I don't know, man. But Bape is pricey, guys. For him, man, is the Bape Lakers shorts. They only did a couple. I think the Nets. I think I seen the Nets. The Clippers, I think. You know, I only go for one team, man. And that's my boys here, man. Material A1, man. Mitchell and Ness. Got the bathing they hit at the bottom there. Of course, the camo all through on the purple and the yellow. Where's the Laker branding? Okay, you got your Hardwood Classic patch here. I guess since it's just yellow and purple, you just gotta know it's the Lakers, man. And the inside, you got the bathing Nate joint there, just like a Mitchell and Ness shorts will go. It's crazy. It's not like a Lakers symbol anywhere, man. But everybody know who the purple and gold is. You do got a Bape head also hit. Right there. These are the shorts. And this is the jersey. Get that out for y'all. I know the jersey should say, all right. The jersey say Lakers, man. I was a little nervous here, man. The jersey says Lakers. Got the NBA patch there. Bathing Nate. This is dope, guys. Dope, man. Hardwood Classic, all that stuff there. 1993 to 2025. The back says Bathing Nate with the 93 on it. And of course, the big Bape head under the Laker logo. Y'all remember the field trip Air Max 90s or Air Max 1? I think those were the Air Max 90s. But they did the joint with the Oregon Ducks. I copped the shirt. I think I showed y'all the shirt when I got it weeks ago. I copped the shorts. They canceled it on me. But the sweater's here now, man. Tie-dye, dope look, guys. Dope look. I like it. Look like I got like a stain on here or something, man. I don't know, but this is a dope look. You got the dancing bears plus the Oregon Duck dancing with them in a tie-dye situation. This cop may make me go get them goat dunk lows, man. I might, man. The only reason I didn't cop is because they're not an SB. It's just a regular dunk. I only own one regular dunk, and that's the Jackie Robs, and y'all know who Jackie Rob is, so that's different. But to do this match, man, I might go with these because I got rid of them field trip joints kind of early, man. I don't like the silhouette. It was colorful, but that's okay. The silhouette I just didn't like. But here you go. This hoodie here I actually copped on Christmas, which is ironic, man. I wanted this hoodie for a long time, but I forgot I wanted it, and then it got on sale. Like, look at the retail, guys. Retail's $80, man. It went on sale Christmas Day. While my son was opening his toys, I got the link, $32. And I had to make the investment, man. I don't know if this is like made from Home Alone or not, but they always was mixing this with Macaulay Culkin. But if you don't know, it's Santa coming down the chimney with some ones on, and I got so many doggone ones that it's just gonna go with whatever I go with, man. $33. Go to Nike.com, see if you can stick with Nike or Foot Locker. Nike, go to Nike.com. $33. Here we go. Kith from Marvel. This one here is the one I showed you on part 1. The Deadpool joint. Got him fighting Wolverine, but they all in red. I like that look. And this one here is actually a Christmas gift. I wanted this shirt, but you know it's some gift that you don't buy for yourself. Like, if someone get it for me, I'll rock it. It's Kith Marvel vs. Capcom. That is the official Marvel vs. Capcom. You got Iron Man fighting Mega Man. Dope look, man. Battle with the robots. They're going to tag Kith from Marvel. So yeah, guys, I kept my promise, man. That was part 2 of the things I copped in the month of December. Give me a thumbs up. Give me all that. I get 15, 20 likes. I do this every month, man, because all I do is cop. It ain't just sneakers, man. You got to wear the sneakers with something. You got to have some kind of style. So let me know and I'll come back and do it. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.